So what if I told you that one small equation hides the value of x in such simple way but 95% of students miss it? Today we are solving this tricky Olympiad style question like 10 divided by 7 power 4 multiplied by 7 power x minus negative 2 multiplied by 7 power x minus 4 equal to 56. So don't blink because the answer will happen faster than you expect. So in step 1, first look at this monster fraction powers subtraction. Scary, right? But wait, there is a pattern. So I can simplify this term. In a simple way like 10 divided by 7 power 4. Okay, I can write it like this: 10 multiplied by 7 power minus 4 multiplied by this value 7 power x. Okay, I can write it like this. So this term will become like this: 10 multiplied by 7 power x negative 4. Okay, by this rule I write it like this: a power m divided by a power n. So it will become a power m. Okay, a power m minus n, negative n. Okay, and another rule: a power m, okay, multiply a power n. So this will become a power m, the power will be add or subtract plus n. Okay, positive n. Okay, so I can write this term, this whole term is like 10 multiplied by 7 power x minus 4. Okay, negative 2 7 multiply 7 power x minus 4 equal to 56. So this equation will become, because there is twins, 7 power x minus 4 are twins, 7 power x minus 4 and 7 power x minus 4. So if I subtract this 10, 7 power x minus 4 minus 2, subtract this minus this. Okay, so I can write it like this: 8 multiply 7 power x minus 4 is equal to 56. Okay, can I write this like this? So after that 8, I can rewrite this whole equation: x minus 4 for clarification 56. Okay, so if I divide both side 8, okay, this 8 will cancel with this 8. So the equation will become 7 power x minus 4 negative 4 divided by 8 ones are 8, 8 sevens are 56. So here will be 7. So here is the power of 7 will 1. Okay, so 7, if the bases are same, these bases are same, I can write this this equate this exponents. Okay, x minus 4 equal to 1, this is power 1. So this will become x equal to 1 plus 4, so x equal to 5.